Oh, I don't have the hat. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. My name's Jackson, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you guys through how you can buy and sell stocks inside the Webull mobile app. So the first thing you guys want to do is set up a Webull account. I'm gonna assume you've already done that and you've already deposited funds and you're ready to purchase your first stock. So after doing so, you want to sign into the Webull account. Here you can see my positions, and right when you're ready with it, you want to click this middle button here. This will bring you to unlock trading. Now I am on an Android, so I use Touch ID on the back here. And you can see my account's unlocked. I have about $30,000 in this account. This is kind of just my fun investment account. The majority of this is just in cash. So what you want to do when you know you want to buy a stock, I come over here to the watch list, and this you can see all the stocks that you either own or you're interested in owning that you've added to a list. Now, when you want to purchase a stock, you can go up to the search bar and look for the ticker that you want to purchase. So I'll use Riot Blockchain for this example. And you're greeted with this chart here. You can see the day, the breakdown of all the different events that it's had, the news, the analysis. Webull does such a great job of giving you with all this type of data that you can use to make an investment decision. So I'll go back to Riot and I'll go ahead and click trade. What we want to do is we want to do a buy order. We want to change this from limit to market, and let's just say 5 shares. Webull does support buying fractional shares, so you could put in like, I don't know, 5.2 or something like that if you wanted to. But for this, I'll just do 5 shares, and then time in force. We're going to set this to day because it's a market order, and then we would click buy, and then you would click the confirm button. It's really that simple. Now, to sell a stock, there's actually an easier way to sell it, believe it or not. If you know the stock you want to sell, you can click on the stock you're interested in selling and click close and then close. This will bring you here where you can specify a limit price. So if you want to say you only want to sell the stock if it gets below this amount or hits this amount, then you can sell. But for this, we'll just set this to a market order. And then you can specify how many shares you want to sell. Careful if you go up too high, because sometimes I've had an issue where if you sell more than you own, Webull will think you're trying to short the stock, which is not what you want to do. So that's why I always like to go into the sell and just close it out that way. You can click sell and confirm. So that being said, guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to like this video and leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you want to see content similar to this one. Thanks again, guys. My name's Jackson, and I'll see you guys next time.